On a beautiful Monday afternoon, coming back from Sam's Club, I got the back full with milk, bread, eggs, and sodas and all that stuff. Cruising around, nice moderate traffic, chilling. And for the first time, I got a real hard look from the local police. Now, this is the Westchester County Police. They police Westchester County, pretty big force, got their own helicopter, SWAT team and everything. And he's sitting there, and right about now, he notices me and immediately takes off. So I watch him in my rearview mirror, and he just slides right in front of that other guy who was pretty tight to my rear. I mean, the parkways, these people like to drive on each other's butts. So my dash cam is picking him up, and right, he goes to my quarter panel and starts pacing me. He's hanging out there, and I'm like, okay, is he gonna pass? And he comes up beside me. I guess he's taking a look at me, and I say, okay, he's gonna pass. But then he starts pacing again. Maybe he's looking in his rearview mirror or side mirror. He's braking, he's maintaining. Maybe he's going to get off at the gas station on the left-hand exit, but not really. Now he goes back to my quarter, and I'm over here checking my speed, saying, if he pulls me over, where am I going to pull over? I'm thinking about what's up ahead, where to stop safely. And we're in a construction zone where it's solid white lines, and it narrows real tight here. So I'm staying in my lane pretty tight. And he's just pacing me on my quarter hard, maybe running my plate, I don't know. And then the other guy, look how close he gets, closing the gap. And the county officer is like, I'm going to go behind, slide right in again. The guy in the white car is totally clueless. Give it a little space. So you see how narrow that lane is? He's got about a foot on either side of his tire, and his car is not really a wide car, so I'm keeping this boat right in the lane. Construction lane ends. Speed picks up back to 55. I pace up to 55, and the officer drops back. Think he's lost interest or did his thing, and I feel I'm home free without getting pulled over. So I don't think I have my hard copy of my insurance card, so that would have been a little bit of an issue. But thankfully not. And that's pretty much the first time I got a real hard look by a police officer driving the Crown Vic. And it was a little uncomfortable, to say the least. So thanks for watching. Check out my other videos on the Crown Vic, and see you later.